Hey guys, it's me, and playing Skyrim, so I kind of got bored doing the Man Who Cried Wolf mission, clear out the Wolf Skull Cave, and you get this one by going to the Blue Palace in Solitude, and talking to the Jarl, and then yeah, coffee. You'll figure it out. Anyway, let's get started. Up there. I would take his name.
Hear our call and awaken. We summon Suprema. We summon Suprema.
Dilemma.
Long have
Okay.
you slept the dreamless sleep of death, Suprema. No longer. Hear our call. Summon. We summon Suprema.
It's not gonna work. I am level 30, 34, 35,
Yes!
34.
Yes! Return me to this realm.
I'll go with the, I'm looking force. Loser.
What? What are you doing? You fool! You cannot bind me to your will. Some members bound by blood. You ants don't have the power to bind me.
I haven't really been playing this game a whole lot lately. So if my combat skills are a little edgy, you'll know why. Come on.
Something is wrong. There is an intruder.
Really? What the? That was a shout, loser. Flipping necromancers. My show ran out. This is. By the way, this is 100% legit. I have not used anything, no mods, no previous accounts or anything. I don't even know if that is one. But, you know. It's the Falk Firebeard. That is one evil looking drawing. Oh, it has a nose. I don't need anything. Chest. And yes, I know this is very bad quality, but I've got a tablet that I can start making videos on and stuff like that, and yeah. It's got better quality on it, but I just gotta find a way to keep it from falling down, get it to the right angle. I'm using a computer right now just because it's easier. Yes, I'm lazy, by the way. Aye. But the computer has better sound, so I don't really know. Just Skyrim. Got my chocolate chip cookies. You know it. I got 5 minutes on the clock. that more much to go before I can make Daedric armor. And that would more likely, most definitely be in the next video. No. I'm making a video right now, so I'm not gonna do anybody. Okay. Who's this guy?
Skyrim was once the land of many butterflies. Now, much snow.
What do you have on you? Skooma? Nobody will care if you die. And you can't die. Oh god. Run! Cat's invincible. Crazy cat. And who's this guy? Guys.
Alright, hand over your valuables.
No thanks.
Then I guess that is your last request, fool.
I got a little bit more left to go. Wait, what?
Yes. Pizza? Yes.
I have no idea why there's 3 men, a dog.
Yes.
And one of them is naked.
Don't go setting the lights on fire. Okay?
Set you on fire. Shut up. Alright, where am I going? Going to the Blue Palace. Ugh. I'll show you I will show you who you need to talk to get that wolf skull mission. Oh, it's so cute. She's a little girl. I don't know why it's all smudged up and blurry like that. My phone is ringing and I don't care. Cell phone, that is. Because I'm not old enough to live on my own yet. Because I'm 15. Got my age wrong. Oh my god. I'm going slightly mad. Crazy. Oh yeah, that's me. Hi guys. I'm going to after I turn this mission in, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I might end it before then, depends on how much time it takes to load. I'm gonna go ahead and end it now, guys. Now we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.